In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page layout in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or someone just starting out, understanding how to customize page layouts is essential for managing data effectively. We'll go through each step in detail, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the process. Let's begin by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point for accessing the various customization options within Salesforce. Once you're on the home page, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Quick Settings icon. You'll often find this icon in the top corner of your screen, and it serves as a gateway to a variety of setup and customization options. After accessing Quick Settings, look for the option labeled Open Advanced Setup. Clicking this will redirect you to the Salesforce Setup menu, which is packed with tools for managing your Salesforce environment. The next step is to click on Object Manager. The Object Manager is where you handle all the different objects within Salesforce, allowing you to customize fields, relationships, and, of course, page layouts. Once in the Object Manager, you'll see a list of object labels. Choose the label that corresponds to the object for which you want to create or modify a page layout. This could be anything from leads and accounts to custom objects that you've set up in your Salesforce instance. After selecting the appropriate label, click on Page Layouts. Here, you'll be presented with existing layouts for the chosen object, and this is where you can create a new one to meet your specific needs. Click on New to start the creation of a fresh page layout. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter a page layout name. Choose a name that clearly describes the purpose or the specific customizations of this layout to make management easier in the future. Once you've named your layout, click Save to preserve your input and move on to the customization phase. Now focus on the Related Lists section, which allows you to organize and display related records. For our tutorial, let's drag Activity History into the Related Lists tab below. This function is crucial as it provides users with a historical perspective of all interactions and activities associated with the record. Similarly, drag Case Comments into the Related Lists tab. This action ensures that comments related to the case are easily accessible, providing context and clarity for users who are viewing or managing the record. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your changes and customizations, click Save one more time to apply them to your environment. It's as simple as that. By customizing your page layouts, you enhance utility, ensure relevant information is readily available, and ultimately make Salesforce a more powerful tool for your team.